Well, here's part 2 of this repair. I was a little overconfident and when I did my repair here, I hooked it up and I actually had a little leak coming out here. And what I discovered happened is that I did not pack the epoxy into the corner tight enough, and there was actually a little tiny gap and water was coming out of that. So to make this more secure, I took my little ice pick here and I put a drop of super glue on it and then held this up, and you look down inside there on the right hand side, you see that little dark slit. That's the crack. And so I just tilted this unit up and then put a little drop of super glue down there. You can use a wire or coat hanger or something that's long. You just put a little bit of glue on the end of it and put it down there. Make sure it's new super glue so it's nice and runny, because then it'll get sucked into that crack. And then I did the same thing here. I put super glue on it. And then to make sure that your epoxy sits okay, grabs okay, it's really important to rough up the surface. So after you put the super glue on there and it's dried, take some really rough sandpaper, like I use like a 60 grit, something really rough, and I just folded it over basically a small implement like this, and then use that to basically rough up the surface of where I was going to apply my epoxy, because you want that epoxy to grab. And sometimes just a file is a little bit too smooth. You want something that makes pretty good scratch marks. So anyway, I've put that all back together. I'm about ready to hook this up and test it and see, but I just wanted to share with you how you can make this maybe even a little bit more secure of a repair. Okay, good luck.